Hey guys, if you want to get Geode after the 2.2081 update in Geometry Dash, don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. I'll show you the quick method. First, copy the first link in the description. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard. A small run window will appear. Paste the link there and click OK. This will open a console window on your computer. Next, copy the second link I provided. Paste it into your browser's address bar and press enter. This will start downloading the older Geometry Dash files that we need. Once the download finishes, copy the third link in the description, paste it into the Windows File Explorer search bar and press enter. This will open the folder with the downloaded files. Select all the files in that folder and copy them. Now open Steam. Go to your library, right-click Geometry Dash, click Manage, then choose Browse Local Files. Finally, paste the files into that folder and replace the existing ones. And that's it. After replacing the files, you should be able to use Geode again even after the new update. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.